Checking out some of the cars we've got here in the Lamborghini showroom. Here's a 2019 Lamborghini Urus in white. This SUV is a beast. It's got a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces 641 horsepower. And over here we've got 3 different Huracan Evos, all rear-wheel drive. What do you guys think of this color, Grigio Hati? It reminds me of Porsche's Chalk, and I really like this color, but I definitely prefer Verde Mantis. Black is okay, but it just doesn't pop enough for me personally. I'd much rather have a bright, loud color. One of the reasons I prefer the Huracan Coupe over the Huracan Spider is that you get to see your 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine because of the glass engine bonnet. You've also got this nice little plaque here with the firing order of the cylinders. In the Huracan Spider, you can't see your engine. If we take a look outside, you'll see on the trailer there, they're packing up the garbage, the remains, from the Sian unboxing that we just did. They've been out there for a little while, but cleaning up hasn't taken nearly as long as it took to unload. The sticker price on this Huracan is $253. Let's check out the interior. Black leather with yellow stitching. You've got your engine start-stop button right there under the red cover, right below the touchscreen. And you have your drive mode switch on the steering wheel itself. You'll notice on this Huracan Evo, the rear bumper is in high gloss black, which is a $3,600 option. Now I want to know, would you get it in high gloss black, like here, matte black, or the body color? In the lounge area, it looks like someone was building a Lamborghini Urus. Let's check this out. That is a nice interior. That's called Q Satura stitching, and I think it's a must on all Lambos. I'm here in the Bugatti showroom with this exposed carbon fiber Chiron Sport with French racing blue accents. Guess the sticker price. $3.8 million. That's extremely expensive. Surely one of the most expensive hypercars on the market today. But how can you not love this car? Quad turbocharged W16 engine that produces 1,500 horsepower. I really love these black wheels with the blue brake calipers. And I also love how there's blue on the underside of the rear wing. This here is a very special and rare car. It's the Bentley Continental GT Pikes Peak Edition, one of just 15 in the world. If you haven't already seen my video on this car, be sure to check it out because this car is really special. This here is the Porsche 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series Coupe, which has carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber here on the side, and of course at the back. And look how funny this is. On the evacuation map, they have little Lamborghini Aventadors. I love that attention to detail. we just happened to be driving around New York City and look what we spotted. The Maybach SUV. This car is seriously luxurious. I love all the chrome pieces like on the front grille, the lower front grille. Of course it says Maybach on the front with the three-pointed star hood ornament. You've got the double M Maybach symbol at the back on both sides of the car. And I love these wheels. These aren't the standard wheels, these are the optional wheels, which cost a couple $1,000s, but they are just so worth it. They make this car look gorgeous. And I love how it says Maybach on the wheels. These are really classy. You've got more chrome on the window trim, as well as down here. And back here. GLS 600 Maybach. This car is brand new, and I guess this is a customer car. It's my first Maybach SUV I've seen. I just happened to spot it randomly. We were driving by to get lunch. I saw this, we had to park, and I just had to check it out. So this car actually starts at $160,500, which seems like a lot of money, but you actually get a lot of bang for your buck with this vehicle compared to, let's say, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan or the Bentley Bentayga. I haven't been inside the car yet, as this is the only customer car I've spotted, but I can't wait to check out the inside, hopefully next month. Just like the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and the Bentley Bentayga, the Mercedes-Maybach SUV comes in a 4-seat configuration or a 5-seat configuration. But this is definitely a car you want in a 4-seat configuration. I've heard Mercedes dealerships are asking $75,000 over the sticker price for this car. So I want to know, would you guys get this car, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, or the Bentley Bentayga? Check these out, the electronic step boards that fold out when you open the door. This here is a black on black spec with the optional flowing lines trim. You've got black piano lacquer trim on the steering wheel. This car is so gorgeous. Now let's take a look at the back seats here. This does have the 4-seat configuration. You've got nice pillows on the seats. This car just looks so comfortable. You've got a tablet in the center for rear seat entertainment, some cup holders. You can also get a fridge back here and champagne flutes from Mercedes-Maybach. Well, that was really unexpected. The owner's friend saw me checking out the car and decided to open it up for me so I could see the inside. So shout out to him, I really appreciate that. take a quick look at this 2021 Rolls-Royce Ghost in Arctic white over grace white with black and mandarin leather. Here is the window sticker for the car, so you'll notice that the MSRP is $332,500, which is definitely not cheap, but with all of the options that this one has, the total price is $374,000. One of the options is the piano black trim, which costs $3,200. You'll find that here, up there, and on the doors. Just pretty much all across the interior. I especially love how the door sills say Ghost on them and they are illuminated. You've got your speedometer in the center, which goes all the way up to 160 miles per hour. Here's the infotainment system. You can navigate the different pages with this switch right here. If we go to My Vehicle, you can actually raise or lower the Spirit of Ecstasy, or set it to automatic, which means when the car is locked, it will lower, and when the car is unlocked, it will raise. You've got settings for the lighting, the doors, the key. And this doesn't come as a surprise, but the Rolls-Royce Ghost does have massaging seats. When you're sitting in the back seats, you can close the door by pressing this button right here. And the door shuts. You've got rear seat entertainment on the back of both seats. You just pull this out and it turns on. You've got your climate control down here for the rear passengers, some storage, cup holders, of course, and plenty of legroom. Sitting back here is really comfortable. I would not mind being driven around in this all day. And I really like this spec. The white with the black and the orange looks really nice. The coach line that you see here is an option that costs over $1,800, but it really brings this spec together. The Rolls-Royce Ghost is very expensive, but it really is one of the best luxury cars on the market today. So today was a pretty crazy day. We started with the Lamborghini Sian unboxing at the Uptown Manhattan Motor Cars location, and now we're ending the day at the Downtown Manhattan Motor Cars location in Chelsea with all of these beautiful Rolls-Royces. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.